Guys, in today's video, I am telling you about the Walrus operator in Python. This is a new feature in 3.0 Python. Okay, so now let's see what are Walrus operator, the Walrus operator in Python. So please like this video, share friends, and subscribe to my channel. So let's move to the computer screen and let's do a coding with laughing. So guys, in today's video, I am telling you about the Walrus operator in Python. The Walrus operator is a very new addition to Python 3.8, allows you to assign a value to a variable with an expression. This can be useful when you need to use a value multiple times in a loop, but don't want to repeat the calculation, okay? And it's very helpful in value of multiple times in a loop, okay? And the Walrus operator is represented by the this syntax and can be used in a variety of contexts, including while loops and if statements. What? While loops and if statements. And I also make a one video of while loops and if statements. So see this video also. So now here is an example of how you can use the Walrus operator in a while loop. So this is one example here, you can see it. And in this example, the length of the numbers list is assigned to the variable n using the Walrus operator. The value of n is then used in the condition of while loop, so that hell will continue to execute until the numbers list is empty. So now another example of using the Walrus operator in an if statement. Okay. And now here is another example, like this is one new example, like Walrus operator new to Python 3.8 assignment expression aka Walrus operator assign values to variables and part of a larger expression happy/true print happy /true hashtag food list, like this all thing like while true food input, what food do you like this is one example of that. Here you can see it. So now in this example, the user input is assigned to the variable name using the Walrus operator. The value of name is then used in the if statement to determine whether it is in the name list. If it is the corresponding message, if it is a corresponding message is printed, okay? Otherwise, another different message is printed. It is important to note, okay? It is very important to note that the Walrus operator should be used sparingly as it can code less readable. It overused in conclusion means ending. The Walrus operator is a useful tool for Python developers, okay, to have in their toolkit. It can help streamline code and reduce duplication, but it should be used with care, okay, to ensure code readability and maintainability, okay. So in today's video, I am telling you about the Walrus operator in Python, and this is a very new addition to Python 3.8, and okay, and it allows you to assign a value to variable with an expression. That can be this. The Walrus operator is very useful when you need to use a value multiple times in a loop, but don't want to repeat the calculation, okay. So now in today's video, I will be telling you about the Walrus operator in Python. So I hope you can enjoy this class. Like this video, share and subscribe to my channel and all the notification bell. Then go to the YouTube, search my channel by the name of CodePK. Then go here, then subscribe my channel and all the notification bell, and go to the playlist and access my Python tutorial playlist. And now here when you will be click it, so please share my playlist and like and okay, and that all thing, and comment me also. And now I'll meet you next class and next very amazing class of Python or Python project. So for today, goodbye.